In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Forms not require sign-in, a useful feature if you're looking to make your forms accessible to a wide audience without the need for them to log into their Google accounts. We'll take you through each step you need to ensure your form is open to everyone, making it a breeze for respondents to fill out your survey, quiz, or whatever form you're working on. Let's dive right in. First, open up a web browser on your computer and navigate to Google Forms. You can easily find this by searching for Google Forms in the search bar or going directly to the website. Once you're there, either open an existing form that you've already started or create a new one from scratch. If you're creating a new form, you might want to take a moment to come up with a simple and clear title, since this will help your respondents understand the purpose of your form right off the bat. Adding a brief description could also enhance clarity, especially if you have specific instructions or a context to provide. Now that you have your form open, go to the top right corner and locate the Settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click on it to open the Settings menu. This is where you'll find various options to customize how your form operates, including who can access it. In the Settings menu, you've got several tabs to choose from, but for our purpose, you'll want to be on the General tab. Here, you can adjust settings to manage the audience that can fill out your form. You'll notice an option labeled Collect Email Addresses, and right beneath that, an option that says Restrict to users in your domain and its trusted organizations. This last option is turned on by default for many users, particularly those using Google Workspace. To allow anyone to complete your form without signing in, make sure to uncheck this box. Doing so ensures that respondents don't have to be part of your organization or sign in with a Google account. With this option unchecked, your form becomes more inclusive, allowing access to participants regardless of their email domain or whether they have a Google account. After adjusting these settings, don't forget to hit Save to apply the changes you've made. Before you finish, it might be a good idea to preview your form as a respondent would see it. Just click on the preview icon, which looks like an eye. This way, you can ensure that everything looks good and functions as intended. If all seems in order, your form is now ready to be shared broadly without the sign-in restriction, making it much easier for people to participate. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to make your Google form accessible to anyone without requiring them to sign in. Happy form creating!